Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fida Zaidi. So now let's start this new chapter, set theory, and now we understand two basic of sets. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is set? This is the definition of the set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Okay, I want to focus on these three terms: distinct, object, and well-defined. If we somehow understand these three terms, then there will be no problem in understanding the concept of the set. So let's just try to understand the meaning of object. An object could be anything. It can be something we can touch or see, or it can be an idea or a concept, right? So here are some examples which help you to understand what is an object. Number 1, a set of all facts learned in discrete mathematics course. Number 2, all collection of pens, a collection of cars, a set of odd number divisible by 2. So pens, cars, set of vowels, and these are all objects, right? But what is not set? A collection of beautiful songs is not a set. This is where the term well-defined came into picture. See, the term well-defined came into picture. In order to understand this, why this is not a set, we must understand the term well-defined properly. Okay, what is the meaning of the well-defined? A set is considered to be well-defined if it is possible to establish that any given object belongs to the set. Okay, let's just try to understand this properly with the help of the example. Okay, a set of beautiful song. Beautiful song not well defined. The definition of beautiful song changes from person to person, right? So let me tell you. Suppose one person is Mark. This is a Mark. Okay. Mark says that a song is beautiful when it is meaningful. Okay. Mark says that a song is beautiful when it is meaningful. But another person, on the other hand, his name is Adams. On the other hand, Adams says a song, if it is relaxes anyone with its calming music, is beautiful. Okay. Now Adam is actually has its own perspective. Okay. You can see over here these two people have different opinion and they have their own preferences. Therefore, a set of beautiful songs are not a well defined, and hence it is not a set. So a set must be a well defined collection of objects. So term well defined is very important here. After understanding the meaning of the well defined as well as an object, right, as well as an object, now we will understand the meaning of the distinct object. Fine. What is the meaning of the distinct object? We can have a set with duplicate objects, but a set with duplicate objects is similar to the set with distinct object. Let me tell you. For example, we can have a set like this, a set A and a B, and there is no difference between these two sets. They are actually equal. Okay. Even though you can clearly see A has a total 6 elements but B has 3 elements, but eventually A is equal to B. So actually in A, these duplicate objects get eliminated. Okay, and we end up with the sets similar to these sets. Okay, eventually we end up with this set without duplicate elements. This is the reason why the definition holds true. A set is a well defined collection of objects, or a set is a well defined distinct object. Here you can see that A is equal to B, so it's clear that writing duplicate elements is actually redundant. Okay, so A is actually equal to B. Now let's just try to understand the meaning of set membership. Any objects belongs to a set is called a member or an element of the set. Means, so if we can say an object belongs to set, then we can say that particular object is actually a member of that set. Okay. If A is an element of set, if A is an element of set A, then A belongs to A, or we can say that A is in A, right? This symbol is A actually called belongs to. Fine. If there exists an element B then does not belongs to set A, then we express this fact by B belongs to A, B doesn't belongs to A, or we can say that B is not in A. Okay, so this is all about basic of sets. I hope you understand, and in next lecture we will try to understand more concept related to set. So till the end, have fun, and I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.